Ship upgrade with Kalibr cruise missile, for the Russian Navy. Russia plans to equip some of its Navy ships with Kalibr missiles, a weapon that a naval policy expert predicts will arm its broader fleet. Mikhail Budnichenko, CEO of the Sevmash shipyard, said earlier this month the Admiral Nakhimov nuclear missile cruiser would be armed with Kalibr-NK missiles, after repair and modernization work. The Steregushchiy corvettes were produced under the shipbuilding program named Project 20380. The Steregushchiy corvettes and other ships created in the effort were equipped with the Uran anti-ship missile system, which consists of two 4-container inclined launchers with a set of 8 kh ammunition. 35U missile. Now the lead ship in her class, Steregushchiy, built 17 years ago, is undergoing a midlife upgrade, during which she will receive the Universal 3S-14 cross-ship firing complex. That technology will allow the ship to launch Kalibr missiles and, eventually, Zircon hypersonic missiles. Modernization of the Project 20380 corvettes will not begin until late spring or early summer. At the time the factory was required to turn over a large landing craft to the mod, which would make room for new projects. The timeline for the modernization work has not yet been determined. The Admiral Nakhimov nuclear missile cruiser has been undergoing repairs and modernization since 2013. More than 150 companies have participated in the effort. As part of the modernization effort, the ship will carry 10 3S-14 launchers, each with 8 Kalibr-NK cruise missiles instead of the 20 heavy supersonic granite missiles. In total, there will be 80 attack missiles on board, a record number for the Russian surface fleet. Almost all newly built and most upgraded units accept this system, said the naval expert.